Let's have a quick look at this Cullinsss 2-liter electric pot and steamer. Now this one was sent to me at no charge in exchange for this review. And right off the bat, I can see it's got a titanium non-stick coating, which in my experience means food is less likely to stick and it's easy to clean. I like that it works as a frying pan and a steamer. And it looks to me like it's deep enough to handle things like ramen noodles and mac and cheese. And I think because it's small and easy to store, it's great for dorms, RVs, or even hotel rooms when you're traveling. The 2-liter size is perfect for 2 people, and it even has a built-in overheating protection if it gets too hot. Overall, it looks like a solid cooker that's practical, convenient, and would make a nice gift for anyone who's on the go. I recommend you give it a try. Thanks for watching.